When we first heard about Owl Bakery in Asheville, we wondered who it was named after. But OWL stands for Old World Levain, and that perfectly sums up this European-inspired pastry shop and bakery.
OWL started in 2014. I was working with someone who had a kitchen and little bake shop out of her house in a very beautiful wood-fired oven. I took over the space and was baking pastries, my own pastries and breads. And then in 2016 we opened our first brick and mortar in West Asheville on Haywood Road. Since then we have opened a second location here in North Asheville, and we're just about to open this expansion of that space, which will be a cake shop. OWL stands for Old World Levain, which was the name of the first bread that I developed for the bakery, and it simply means a rustic hearth loaf that is naturally leavened. Many breads that you find are leavened with commercial yeast. With sourdough cultures, it's simply flour and water developed into a culture where there are wild yeasts present. And so that's what we use to leaven our bread.
We first met Susanna when she was providing pastries for one of the local coffee shops. And then she opened up her OWL West, and we became regulars there. I mean, we love the bread. The bread is just superb, you know, the country sourdough, that baguette, the croissants. We just got back from France, and these are the best croissants.
We purchase local produce. We also work with 4 local mills. So our flour is 100% organic. Our country loaf, for instance, is our daily rustic hearth loaf that we make. It's very crusty, it has a moist, open crumb, and in that loaf we use flour from all 4 of the mills that we purchase from. Some of the breads that feature inclusions and specifically local grains. So one of our breads features a Rouge de Bordeaux, which is a variety of wheat that's grown by one of our local farmers and millers. We also have some perennial favorites like our porridge loaf, which incorporates cooked oats, barley, and buckwheat. With our pastries, we feature local ingredients, and we're often changing our pastries seasonally, so the menu is in constant rotation. We have a very inspired team, and they're always coming up with really beautiful, interesting, unique combinations.
It's on par with the great bakeries of Europe, but there's still something distinctly Asheville about it. It's a real foodie town, and the expectations here, I think, are high. And OWL just always lives up with, everything here is great. The bread, the daily bread is amazing. And this is like, we live right up the street. So to be able to just come through here on my way to work or on a weekend, it becomes a really wonderful gathering place. There's just nothing not to like.
I think they're a real treasure for our community. It's a friendly, welcoming place, and it's got great bread and pastries. So I'm so glad. It's one reason why we moved to Asheville was because of the independent food scene. And I think Susanna and OWL really represent that.
I would love for any visitor coming to OWL to really fully experience the intention that we put behind everything, from the space to the ingredients that we choose to the textures and flavors and aesthetic appeal of all of our products. We also have a full beverage program. We make everything in-house. We just really want people to feel both delighted and surprised by what we do, and also feel very welcome and at home in our space and like they're a part of our community.
OWL Bakery has 2 locations, 295 Haywood Road in West Asheville and 197 Charlotte Street in North Asheville. To find out more, visit their website at owlbakery.com.